In today's episode, we are going back to moments when things were uncomplicated and life was fun and easy. Remember, as a child, our biggest dilemma was to choose between the red or the blue crayon, or whether to buy a toy plane or a car. Simple and innocent, yet those were the times when we enjoyed without overthinking or complicating things. Where has that inner child, that carefree, childlike spontaneity gone? Growing up, suddenly we're faced with decisions like choosing careers, picking the right investment, strategy, planning, diet, exercise. Wouldn't it be nice if we could just go back to those simpler times of not caring about the future? Though I admit, friends laugh at me and say that I haven't abandoned my inner child yet. For instance, I still make it a point to jump into puddles. Yes, I deliberately leave my umbrella at home just to get wet in the rain. There is something incredibly liberating about getting wet, even if it means catching a cold now and then. But then I scream at concerts, and then there is my ongoing battle with Hindi film songs. You see, I've taken on the noble task of translating them into English. It's a bit like decoding a secret language, except the only thing I'm unlocking is laughter. Ever tried it? Trust me, it's hilarious and fun. I know sometimes letting go of inhibitions can be tough as adults because it often involves stepping outside of our comfort zones, facing fears of judgment or even failure. But don't let that stop you. It is as if we are programmed to put away the crayons and drawing book and take up the whiteboard and marker instead. So why allow growing up steal our childlike spirit? You and me both need to know that no one but ourselves can unleash that inner child. Let go of that fear of what someone will say. Dare to be spontaneous and reclaim a bit of that innocence. So until next time, keep the child in you alive, and I will be back with another episode of Rewire Life in 1.5 minutes with me, Hira. Namaste.